noise coming from the exhaust at a cold startup. My check engine light is on, and I have two codes. It's the cold start, rough idle, and the misfire comes on and off. So some days I'll have it, some days I don't. If I do, if I plug in my scan tool and clear the codes, it'll run good for a while, and then it'll start lagging again. That RPM just kind of goes crazy on me, jumping up and down. I've already checked for vacuum leaks. I can't find any. With my scan tool, I checked for misfires or cylinder pressure, and everything seems to be okay. I did notice that I have an invalid value on my brake pedal position sensor, but it will register it as applied or depressed. What else? I've already done a couple of things, changing the spark plug wires, a couple of other maintenances on it. I've already checked my map and MAF, bought both, replaced both, still getting the same. I think I also did my throttle body, but not all at the same time, since I was getting the same alarms on my scan tool coming from the same sensors, which is going to be my map, my MAF, and my range position sensor from my crankcase. I keep getting alarms on those, so I've already backprobed them. I'm getting 5-volt reference to them. Checked for signal seems good, so does my grounds on there. I did change one of my tire pressure sensors, and that fixed one thing that had to do with my fuel system, which is weird, right? But so yeah, if anybody has any ideas or has some similar symptoms, if you could please let me know. I'll continue to update, and hopefully I'll put out a video of everything that I've done to it here shortly.